Be visiting the website now, the where I hosted the app, and I'm just gonna go there right now. And because this is the first time that I'm going there, it's going to ask for my permission, of which if I allow, it would redirect me to a page showing the details of where I am actually residing in, which is, that's the details it's getting. Ikeja, Lagos, Nigeria. So I can go back to the home page. Let's talk about the home. Let me explain more about the home page. So the home page, we have default cities, which can be removed. All these temperatures to our their recent temperatures, we can, click on one and just confirm. As you can see, it's 21 degree and it's 21 degree here, so it loads that automatically, and you can remove all default cities and you can reload them back if you choose to. And yeah, so that is that for that. And if I click on one of them, I can favorite it, and if I favorite it and I come back here and reload this, it's going to be showing here. So I can also search for a city. I can search for a city like let me search for a city in my Akure, Nigeria, and then if I click here, it shows me Akure, Ondo, Nigeria. And then I can also favorite this, and if I come back here and reload, it's going to be showing the list of my favorites, and it's going to be showing their recent temperature. And yeah, that's it for this. And then when you come to the details page, you could type notes. Don't mind this is just something showing from a plugin on my system. It's not part of the okay, yeah, it's clear here. So I could say, I think it's a Grammarly thing, a plugin on the browser, not part of the features. So I could type details. I could type a note and say, "Wow, China is so cold," and I could click add, and it's going to show here. And I could add another note and say, "Oh, I didn't mean that." And I could click add, and then I could scroll rather. I could add another one too and say more notes, and then all that, and then I could edit each of them. So with this, I could say, "No, I meant a new note," and then I would mark it, and then if I scroll, as you can see, it's right here, and then I could delete any of the notes until I'm left with one. It's this. So that's just that for that. And what else? It's let me see if there's anything else I'm not mentioning. I could also unfavorite a page. Once I've unfavorited it and I go to the home page, I can reload it, and it will not show there anymore. And yes, also one thing I wanted to say is each note is for each location. If I reload this location, the notes will be there if I click it, and but if I go to another location, I won't find the notes there at all. It will be empty, and I could add a unique note and say this note is for Shenzhen, and then if I load it, I'm going to find the notes for Shenzhen. But if I come to Wuhan, I'm going to find the notes for Wuhan, China. So that sums it all, I guess. And it's also quite responsive, very responsive, I'll say. So on mobile, it still works quite well. Or on a tab, it works well. So yeah. So that's it. Thank you.